Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. So I have a few minutes to head into Big Lots and check things out. Let's see what they've gotten in. And you know I'm going to invite you to come along with me. Let's say it together. Let's go shopping. So we are back in the seasonal department and they do have out their Easter goodies. I think they had more last year. Comment down below if you think so after this video. I do remember a few of these things. The first is this little Easter sign. I actually picked this up last year. It's a pretty good deal. It's $14. I think it was $12 last year. I'll have to check mine. Those ears are actually posable. They have out, of course, quite a few bunnies. These are really cute with their little dangly legs. They have the boy and the girl. So these can be quite pricey. They have this really cute one in the mother and baby. It is $16. That is the only one in that style that I saw. I don't remember this from last year. It's a bunny holding a lantern. It actually lights up. And let me go ahead and push this to show you guys. It does flicker a little, not as visible on camera. All right, who can tell me what other store is selling this sign? The answer is Hobby Lobby. They also have out this little welcome shutter with the two cute little bunnies peeking out. And I almost like this sign. It's cute, little planked wood with the metal. I just don't love that tail they gave it. These are very pretty, and I think it's a really good price for $10. They're all the same, trimmed out in the wood. Now there are two versions of these. They're super heavy, they're $10, and they have this one with the carrot and welcome sign with the little hat on. I choose to think that's a little boy, and this one's the little girl with the flower and the Easter egg. There's the little set together. I did really think this was adorable. It's a garden stake that says welcome. I love the metal and even the little tail in burlap. It was the last one, so apparently everyone thought it was cute. They had quite a few of these egg topiaries with the little wooden twigs running through them for $12. And quite a few of these lanterns. They light up for $20. It looks very much like they took a lantern and set it in the center of a wreath. Let me grab this guy. So this is a heavy planked little sign of a bunny with welcome and carrots, and it actually does have an easel as well as a hanger on the back, so you could stand that up. Lots of the spiral metal carrot welcome signs for $20. I do like those little metal spiral carrots. I like the little wreath that goes with them too for $18. Now, where have we seen this bunny before? This one reminds me of the sign the Dollar Tree put out this year. There are two versions. They're just little hanging banners, and they're super affordable at $5. They have the pink and the teal, and they both have a tassel down at the bottom. It's a canvas with the print on top. Here are some of the Easter eggs and the little cartons colored for $6. And more egg trees. This one is interesting. It's got all kinds of curlicues, $15, and they get stuck to each other. So this one is covered in the jute for $15 and all kinds of curlicues. The eggs are already on it. Here's a nice cute bunny for $18. But I really like this guy with the carrots. Really heavy, not hollow, and $22. I think that is a very pretty bunny. And then I found this cute little couple. So these are somewhat burlap, softer kind of fabric, and I only found the one girl and the one boy with the little beaded legs. $8 on those. This is a pretty good price. So these are planked egg signs for $6. I don't love the little bow at the top. I'd probably take that off. Here's a metal wreath. And now I've turned around behind me and I'm looking at the whole other wall, and there are more egg trees. So this one is actually wired with fairy lights. Let's go ahead and give that a press. I like the fence around the bottom. These are really nice baskets. They're lined with sort of a muslin, one in blue, one in pink for $12. If you have a grandchild and you want to spoil them, you might want to get that basket and fill it up. These are really soft baskets with these cute little bunny faces. And these I really like. So soft. They come in the white and the blue for $6. And they're doing a tutu basket as well for $6. Here is a very different door hanger. So these are little bunny bells. They were so tangled, it was such a mess. But I like the idea, not just regular bells. Tons of baskets, as you can imagine, from $10 all the way down and up again. These were nice. They're sort of nesting baskets and they range from $8 to $9 to $10, depending on which size, as well as the more plain but colored versions. They have that one in purple, blue, and pink. Here are little sets of Easter chicks for $2 in the multicolor and in the yellow. I believe I picked one of these up last year in the yellow. And they do have bunny chairs. So this is a really beautiful colored gray, and they are $25. They also have it in the pink. And I found a few things I was impressed with. So this I thought was an adorable little sheep for $6. They also had it in a few different colors, but of course I like the cream. This is a fun little guy. So this is a little Easter chick with its babies in a little nest for $16. It's battery operated. Let me show you guys what this thing can do. That's definitely a gift that an aunt or an uncle would give to a little person, because that would probably get old really fast. Here's the little sheep in pink. And can anyone tell me what this type of fur on the stuffed animals is called. It almost looks like they have roots that are darker. There has to be a name for it. I really like the look and it seems very popular this year. These are some very well-priced bunnies. I think really look more expensive in person than what they are priced. They do have them, as you saw, in the small and the medium, and these that are the larger version, and they're only 10. This pink one was so soft, $7. And these baskets are adorable with the little pom-pom fringe. I saw them in the blue, the pink, and the purple. These are $8 and they're just little burlap bags. They have it in the blue and the pink. I think they'd be more impressive if they were the $4 to $5 range personally. This was a fun little find. You place it in your palm and it chirps. Quite a few sock monkey bunnies in the blue and the pink. Good price on those, $4. Last year they had out a dish towel I just couldn't live without. I do own it. They do run $2.50 and you do just get one. It is not a set of two. I like a couple of these patterns, but I really love the one that I got last year. You guys will be seeing that in the upcoming home tour. So I'm just going around the end cap here to the next aisle over, and notice they had out quite a few Easter printed socks. And these headbands with the little Mickey and Minnie. They have the boy and girl version in blue and pink, and they're $5. So if you have a Disney Easter trip planned, you may want to come by Big Lots first and save some money. Many wreaths, as you can imagine, not just for Easter, but for spring. The larger ones did run $20. They have the baskets for $12, a few different variations on those. Lots of floral garlands for $5. This is a garden stake. It's a mesh metal with glitter, and they had it in the green. It's actually kind of a chartreuse for $5, and the blue and the pink. Here are the bunny wreaths, and they were so tangled. All those little eggs had gotten caught up together. Those are $8. Here's a different type of basket. This one's about half the size of the first one with the bunny inside. I love this tulip wreath. I just think it's beautiful. You know what? I don't know that that is tulips. $20 for that one, and I love the lavender version. Very pretty. Nice and full. Here is a different color combo. What do you guys think? Are these mini tulips? I'm going back and forth. I think so. We're gonna say tulips. Here is a different type of bunny wreath. So this is just the head, and it is $12 with the pip berries in pink and white and a burlap bow. I am noticing there are a lot of upside down umbrella arrangements this year in other stores, and Big Lots had its own. This is a really nice arrangement in a really pretty urn for $20, and then they have this watering can in the galvanized version for $15. Plenty of tablecloths. Now, this one's fabric. I think it's really pretty $10. I'm not a fan of this version, and this one's the table runner. Now we're back up to tablecloths, and I do remember really loving what they put out last year. I'll have to go back and see if I even made a video about it, but I'm just not super crazy about what they did this year. So they pretty much had 4 different versions. The Easter egg version, the little bunnies with the soft tails, they're not really raised pom-poms. The more traditional with the floral, and this one that was definitely my favorite out of the group in Hello Spring. But I'm just not crazy about what they did. Now they of course had a coordinating table runner, tablecloth, and then the placemats, and the placemats were $2.50 each. And they had it in the Hello Spring as well. And these definitely had more work to them. Those were $4, and then the bunny tail version back to $2.50. They did put out a couple of pillows. It took me a couple minutes to figure out where they put the price tag on this. So this one's just a bunch of spring text. Spring is in the air. All kinds of little sayings. I'm still trying to find the price tag. So they put it out in 2 versions. The white with the text and this tealy blue with spring is in the air. And I finally found the price tag. They were the same price, and they're $12. They're about 18 by 18 inches. They also have the Hello Spring in the front doormat. I think I forgot to show you all the price on the crosses. They had them in different color variations for $12. And I'm going to wrap this up with a couple of items from the gardening and summer aisles. They're beginning to put out a few things, and I thought I would share them with you. I thought these watering cans were adorable. They have them out in the teal and green for $10, and these adorable little door hangers with the blue truck for $15. So I hope you enjoyed this shop with me, looking at all the Easter decor at Big Lots, and I'll see you all back very soon in the next video.